Hello everyone, I am Shankar De. I welcome you all to this very important session on instrument in pediatrics. This session is very important for MBBS final year students. In your practical exam, you will be shown an instrument and you will be asked about use of that instrument. This is what I am going to tell you in this video. I am going to tell you the name of the instrument and the uses of this instrument you have to read from your book. So let's begin. This is our first instrument. This is simple rubber catheter. Simple rubber catheter. This is our second instrument. This is Foley's self-retaining 2-way balloon catheter. This is Foley's 2-way self-retaining balloon catheter. This is Urobag or urine collection bag. Urobag or urine collection bag. This one is suction catheter and this one is nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube. Difference between suction catheter and nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube is this suction catheter is not marked or graduated, but here in the Ryle's tube or nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube there are graduated marking. Next, cap is present just on one end of nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube. In suction catheter there is presence of no cap. Next, in case of nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube there is presence of lateral opening, but here there is terminal opening in case of suction catheter. So these are the differences between nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube and suction catheter. This is micro drip set. This whole thing is called as micro drip set and this is Murphy's chamber. Next, this is blood transfusion set. Blood transfusion set. Here you can see the presence of strainer which prevents the transmission of clots or transfer of clot to patient circulation. This strainer is present inside this chamber. So this is blood transfusion set. This is simple infusion set, intravenous infusion set. You can see there is no strainer present in this chamber. This is simple intravenous set or IV infusion set or intravenous infusion set. This is IV cannula. This is intravenous cannula or Gelco. This is scalp vein set or butterfly set. This is scalp vein set. This looks like butterfly. That's why this is called butterfly set. This is tuberculin syringe. This is tuberculin syringe. These are 3-way cannula. These are 3-way cannula. This is Lux tongue depressor. This is tongue depressor. This is bone marrow aspiration needle. You can see the side screw. So this is Shallas needle type of bone marrow aspiration needle. Shallas bone marrow aspiration needle. This is another type of bone marrow aspiration needle. This is Klimas needle. Klimas bone marrow aspiration needle. This is lumbar puncture needle. LP needle or lumbar puncture needle. This is set of Vim Silverman biopsy needle. This is set of Vim Silverman biopsy needle. It is used for taking kidney biopsy, liver biopsy, etc. This is simple oxygen mask. This is simple oxygen mask. This is nasal prongs. This is nasal prong for delivery of the oxygen through external nares. Next. This is oxygen hood or head box. This is oxygen hood or head box. This is nebulizer. This is nebulizer used to nebulize any patient of respiratory distress. This is meter dose inhaler. This is meter dose inhaler with canister. This is spacer device. This is spacer device. This is simple face mask. This is simple face mask. Here it is showing how face mask, spacer device and meter dose inhaler are assembled together. So face mask, spacer device, meter dose inhaler with canister containing bronchodilators and anti-inflammatory substance are assembled together. This is rotahaler. This is rotahaler. This is autohaler. This is autohaler. Rotahaler. This is rotahaler. This is autohaler. This is bulb sucker. This is bulb sucker used to suck secretions from newborn baby. Used to suck secretion from mouth of a newborn baby. This is Dillis mucus sucker or Dillis oral mucus trap. Here you can see many instruments. This is bulb sucker. This is Dillis oral mucus trap or oral mucus sucker. Simple face mask of various sizes. This is ET tube and this is suction catheter. This is suction catheter. This is face mask. This is face mask and this is self-retaining type of resuscitation bag. Self-inflating type of resuscitation bag, also called as AMBU bag, artificial manual breathing unit. Artificial manual breathing unit. This is oxygen reservoir. This is oxygen reservoir. So now we are going to revise the instruments once again. So this is simple rubber catheter. Simple rubber catheter. This is Foley's 2-way self-retaining balloon catheter. Foley's 2-way self-retaining balloon catheter. This is Eurobag or urine collection bag. Eurobag or urine collection bag. This is suction catheter. This is suction catheter. This is nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube. Nasogastric tube or infant feeding tube. This is microdrip set. Microdrip set. Blood transfusion set with strainer. Blood transfusion set. Intravenous infusion set. Intravenous infusion set. This is IV cannula or Gelco. This is scalp vein set or butterfly set. Scalp vein set or butterfly set. This is tuberculin syringe. Tuberculin syringe. This is 3-way cannula. 3-way cannula. This is tongue depressor. This is Lux tongue depressor. This is Salas type of bone marrow aspiration needle. Salas type of bone marrow aspiration needle. This is Klimas type of bone marrow aspiration needle. Klimas type of bone marrow aspiration needle. This is lumbar puncture needle. Lumbar puncture needle. This is Bhim Silverman biopsy needle. Bhim Silver set of Bhim Silverman biopsy needle. This is simple oxygen mask. This is nasal prong. This is nasal prong. This is oxygen hood or head box. Oxygen hood or head box. This is nebulizer. This is meter dose inhaler, meter dose inhaler. This is spacer device, spacer device. This is face mask, this is face mask. So assemble of face mask, spacer device, meter dose inhaler. This is rotahaler, rotahaler. This is autohaler, autohaler, rotahaler and autohaler. This is bulb sucker. This is Dillis oral mucus trap or Dillis mucus sucker. Bulb sucker, Dillis oral mucus trap or oral mucus sucker. Different sizes, face mask, endotracheal tube, and this is suction catheter. These instruments are used during resuscitation of a baby. This is face mask. This is self-inflating type of resuscitating bag or AMBU bag, artificial manual breathing unit, self-inflating type of resuscitation bag or AMBU bag, artificial manual breathing unit. This is oxygen reservoir. So this is all. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press on the bell icon. See you again on my next video. Thank you.